Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, number 187 for Monday, the 16th of June, 2025. As always, you're very welcome here, okay? Very welcome to join us. Just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading decisions. So, this is perennial favourite of mine to sure. This is International Workspace weekly chart. Many of you might know them as in the UK as Regis. Okay, they're co-location shared workspace. So the reason I like shorting them is because during the down when I had an office there, they literally locked me out of the office, but they to charge me for it, and so I made those charges back by shorting their own. It was a pretty easy trade by Zoom short commercial profits on a terribly hard trade. So invariably, I've always kept an eye on these, and because here from this weekly is that for the last few years, okay, we have literally, I'd say, been in a range there between like 130 pence and £2, and that's basically how that variably has worked. Okay, it's worked very okay. It's worked there range. Week or two, we have back up to there. Okay, we had a really, and if you look at that, that's the strongest weekly close in years. But we came all the way back down within it. When I'm always interested in how price responds at these levels and looking at some great opportunity. Just basically take a swing of weeks and months rather than a few days, and we're at that position now. The kind of thing that is curious to me is also is that the kind of the big weekly 200 north of for many years. Is that basically going to effectively hold up? Okay, is that gonna flip from being resistance to support? You can see the 20s holding, even the 50s turn up. I would be looking to see, do we drift our way back into that 180 level, and then what do we do that? Do the moving averages all just come together? You hear me talk about it. When they wrap up together and coil up, it's normally before a big move. So then you'll be looking at catalyst to basically have a commercial property company going higher. So your guess is probably as good as mine. But as a short term trader, you might just want to look how that plays out over the next couple of weeks.